everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and today we have another makeup video. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this pink and lilac eye look. If you're new here, please think about subscribing, and if you enjoyed this video, please like. And that's all I have for the intro today, so let's get on to the look. Okay, so my face makeup is already done, so I'm just gonna throw my hair up and then we'll get into the eye look. Every time I want to put my hair up, it's so temperamental. Like, I have pieces that stick up everywhere and like not all my hair makes it. Like, I always have like rat tails down at the bottom, so I apologize in advance. So I'm just gonna prime my eyelids really quickly with my concealer. So my eyes are all primed, so today we're going to be taking the Norvina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I'm obsessed with this palette. So to start off, we're going to be dipping into the shade Love and applying that to the crease as our base color. So I'm going to show the look on this eye and then I'm going to finish the rest of it. So after we took the shade Love, we're going to be dipping into the shade Soul, which is the very pretty purpley one that I love. And we're just going to take that and we're going to put it more focused in the crease rather than above the crease. Okay, so now that we've applied the lilac purpley color, we're going to start filling in the actual eyelid. So on the outer eyelid, I'm going to take the shade Celestial, which is this very bright, shimmery purple, and I'm going to apply it onto like the outside of my eyelid. Just to blend that outer lid color, I'm just going to take a little bit of the color Soul again, and I'm just going to, like, not very much, I'm just going to blend the outer corner with the crease color. Look at that fall out. There's like sparkles flying around my room. Okay, so now that we have the outer lid done, we're going to do the inner lid. So I'm going to take my finger again, and this time for the inner lid, I'm going to be taking the shade Wild Child, which is this very pretty, shimmery, bright pink, and just applying it in this area. So I've applied the inner corner color, it's looking like this. Now that this eye is all done for the eyeshadow, I'm going to go ahead and do my other eye, and I will be right back. So now both eyes are done, I'm going to apply some eyeliner and I will be back again. Eyeliner is on, now it's time for some mascara. My cat's literally trying to break out of my room right now. He's right there. Comment! I'm just going to be taking a little bit of Soul and I'm going to apply it under my eyes. And that is the finished eye look. And that is all. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I post videos every Monday and Thursday, or at least I'm going to try to. I am a university student, so my schedule can vary about how busy I am. But I hope to see you all again soon, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye. My cat, his name's Comet, and he hates me. Ow, ow, okay, I'm sorry.